Want to make beautiful designs in Canva, even if you've never used it before? In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you step by step how to edit a design from template to export fast, easy, and beginner friendly. Let's jump in. Hi, I'm your name. Will 1. Create a new design. 2. Choose a template. 3. Edit text, images, colors, and layout. 4. Use layers and alignment. And 5. Animate and export. Ready? Open Canva and follow my screen. First, a quick layout tour. The left sidebar has templates, elements, uploads, text, photos, background, and more. The top bar has undo, resize, and download. The center area is your canvas. I'll point out more tools as we go. Step 1. Click Create a Design and pick your format. For this tutorial, we'll choose YouTube thumbnail, but these steps work for any size. If you need a custom size, just click Custom Size and enter the pixels. A quick pro tip: if you have Canva Pro, you'll see magic resize to make other sizes quickly. Otherwise, you can just duplicate and adjust your design manually. It's super easy either way. Step 2. Let's use templates. On the left, click Templates and browse through the options. Pick a design you like. Don't worry about the exact words or colors. We'll change all of that. I'll pick this one. To edit text, just click the text box, highlight the words, and type your own copy. You can use the top text bar to change the font, size, spacing, and alignment. And remember, Control or Command plus Z undoes any mistakes, so feel free to use it. Step 3. Replace the images. Click the photo on the template and press Delete to remove it. Then, click Uploads to add your own photo or choose photos to use Canva's stock library. Drag your new image onto the frame to replace it. To crop or reposition an image, just double-click it and move it to frame it perfectly. You can also use the corners to resize. For more precise framing, use the crop button in the top bar. Want to add icons, shapes, or lines? Click Elements and search for what you need, like circle, line, or arrow. Drag any element to your canvas and use the corner handles to resize it. To change the background color, click on the canvas itself, outside of any elements, then use the color square in the top bar. You can pick a color or even paste in a specific hex code. A quick accessibility note: always aim for readable text contrast, making sure your text stands out clearly from the background. Step 4. Layers and alignment. These make your designs look neat and professional. If an element is hidden behind another, just right-click it and choose Bring Forward or Send Backward. To move multiple items together, you can drag to select them or hold Shift while clicking each one, then right-click and select Group. For perfect spacing, use the Position button. Click Tidy Up to automatically space out selected items, or use the alignment buttons like Left, Center, or Middle. This keeps everything looking balanced and clean. Step 5. Let's add some motion. Click on any element or text and choose Animate in the top bar. Pick a simple animation like rise or fade. For a subtle look, I recommend animating just your heading, not everything on the page. You can also add effects. Click on your text, then Effects to add a shadow, lift, or even curve your text. Just be sure to adjust the intensity so it looks clean and not too busy. Now, for a final check. Zoom out and scan your design for consistency. Look at your font sizes, spacing, and color harmony. Make sure nothing overlaps awkwardly. Last step, export. Click Share, then Download. Choose your file type: PNG for high-quality images, JPG for smaller file sizes, or MP for GIF if you added animation. If you have Canva Pro and need a transparent background, choose PNG and check the transparent background box. Then, just click Download. And that's it. You've edited a Canva design from start to finish. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials, and comment below what design you want to see next: thumbnails, Instagram posts, or presentation slides. Thanks for watching.